welcome back to my video. As I mentioned in the last video regarding my review about Hunter 350, I'm going to improve braking. I'm going to replace the front brake pads. I decided to go for the EBC brand double HH sintered brake pads. I ordered them from Tech Bike Parts, no company on the market for making parts for Royal Enfield and Triumph. Link in the description. Total cost with delivery to Edinburgh was about £31.70. Brake caliper removal. Procedure is simple, requiring a basic set of tools: socket, wrench number 12, pliers, something to knock out the locking pin, brush, hammer, thread locker. Loctite will be good to secure the thread after work. After removing the bolts, just slide the caliper backwards. Watch out for the cable from the ABS, it's easy to damage. As you can see on the picture, remove the clip securing a metal pin, then knock it out with anything of similar diameter. Push the caliper piston inside the caliper using your fingers or anything that helps you if it's too hard by hand. Clean the caliper with a brush from any dirt or residue. Installing new pads, it's just a reverse procedure. After installing pads inside the caliper, just secure the pads with a locking pin, and then secure the pin with a metal clip. Just remember, the pin has a small hole inside that clip that must go through it. Slide the caliper on the braking disc and secure it with bolts. Don't forget to apply thread lock on bolts. Tightening torque after Royal Enfield Owners Forum. In some sources I found 27 Nm of torque and some others maximum 30. I went for 30. I hope that will help you to replace or change your brake pads. Thank you for watching. Safe ride.